Hey, what's up guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video we're discussing about how to make money on Fiverr as a voice over artist. So what I mean by voice over artist and what do they do on Fiverr and how they make money on Fiverr platform. So that's what we're going to be discussing about in this video. So let's check on um what's voice all about. So yeah, what voice over is all about. So I think with this we are going to get some ideas on how and what voiceover is all about. So then you will see if this kind of service you can actually offer on Fiverr platform. So voiceover, also known as off camera or off stage commentary, is a production technique where a voice that is not part of the narrative, blah blah blah, that. So these are the things, and there are different things voiceover can be used for. So it's either on product or some certain videos for your YouTube channel, for your products on Amazon or any dropshipping website. So then I would like to check on Fiverr, so I'll be able to show you the categories so you'll be able to understand what voiceover does on Fiverr. Then we'll see if this kind of service you can actually offer on Fiverr marketplace. So here we are on Fiverr already, and then this is the category for the voiceover. So you can see here, find the perfect voice for your audio or video in any style, language or accent you liked. So there are different types of languages on Fiverr, depends on the one that you actually want to offer. If your language is English, German, French, Arabic, Italian or Spanish, so you just select when you are trying to set up your account. So these are already successful seller. Yeah, I would say successful because they are already making sales on this niche, so they are successful sellers. So here you can see I will narrate your top 10 YouTube videos. So what does this gig mean? This seller is saying that he will put our voice or his voice on YouTube videos. So the buyer will provide the videos and he will add his or her voice on the video for $5. So I would like to check on the gig to see how many minutes does this cover. Okay, so it's just 150 words. So all what the buyer will get for this package is just 150 words for voice over gig. So I think you get the idea now. Then okay, this is, I will record a male Latin Spanish voiceover. This is not English though. So I will become your favorite female voiceover pro. I'll record a professional American male voiceover. So if you found any of these category that you think you can actually create a gig and you have a nice voice, like you believe that okay, this is my voice, I can discuss about product review, I can discuss about YouTube videos, so definitely this service is just for you. And also if you think you are kind of like someone that okay, I have someone that have nice voice, but that person doesn't know about Fiverr or can offer something service on Fiverr, I think you can just set up account with your profile, then hire that person or tip that person that she should be doing the job for you. So that's just a business. So I don't know how you want to do it, but I just believe that if you're watching this video, definitely you are kind of like interested in offering voice over service on Fiverr marketplace to make more money. So it's not a bad idea, and the competition is not even hide like some other gigs, because I just hire someone for a voiceover service on Fiverr as well. So it's not a bad idea. So I can even show you. So because she's yet to is yet to deliver, sorry, the seller is yet to deliver the service. So I was hoping anytime soon he will definitely deliver the service. So I wait till it deliver. So, and you can see all this gig extra, so you can make a lot of money with this service. I hear a voice now since he have delivered the service. So let me try to refresh. Okay, so yeah, I just hear the voice with my Bluetooth now, or AirPod, I don't know. So you can see here. So this is the message he sent to me. Okay, thanks again for your order. Your delivery is impressed. Blah 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 blah. You can also, can you just take 2 seconds to give me? I cannot review yet. I'll review later once I'm done with my video. Then I can review. I can review him and review the jobs he does for me. So that's that. So if you have passion sharing your voice on Fiverr platform, so it's not a bad idea, and I recommend this niche because you can make a lot of money in this. You can make a lot of money in this niche, and most especially if you're a female. You can make a lot of money in this service. So I just hope you can get started today and create an account. Just make sure you have just 1 gig on this niche. Just 1 gig. 1 gig is okay. Then promote your gig on social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. People are interested in your voice. So far it's cool and nice. So definitely people are going to buy your service. So I hope I have discussed most of the things, because my plan is discussing about almost like 15 niches on Fiverr. I'll be picking up the niche one after the other and recommend what you need to do to be successful in that particular niche. So, and also don't forget, you can copy their gig title, you can copy their tags, but don't copy their description. I always advise you on that. So with that being said, I hope you can be a successful seller on Fiverr on your own. So if you have any question regarding this video, please kindly drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button, because that is what actually encouraged me to make more videos for you guys. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.